Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Mama Dance, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen and I post videos on cleaning motivation and all things mom related. We recently painted our kitchen and today I'm going to be doing a total kitchen declutter. I hope that this video brings you a ton of cleaning motivation and that you get up and clean along with me or declutter along with me. And if you are new, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that you are following me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance. Our family has been practicing minimalism for about a year now, and I gave myself a challenge to see if I used my microwave within the last year, and I haven't. I tucked it in that little nook in our cupboard, and I didn't want to get rid of it until I knew I didn't actually need it. And I'm really proud of myself because it's been an entire year and I have not missed it once. We just find alternative ways of heating up our food, whether it's using a saucepan or a toaster oven, and we've had no need for this microwave. So it is going to be donated or stored. We haven't decided yet, but I'm really excited to get it out of my kitchen cupboards. I introduced this 7th generation wood cleaner in one of my previous videos, and I'm finally using it on all of my cabinets, and I'm really liking the smell. It's not super overpowering, and I feel like it gave my cabinets and the doors a really nice shine, and I definitely will keep using this product. I think it worked great and it served its purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it brought you a ton of cleaning motivation. We will see you in the next one.